Your sweat soaking through the floor. Buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, still in your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for your own nature. It's only this moment, don't care what can happen. Your favorite dream, can't you see it getting closer? Just surrender, cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flying open. It's a picture in the pulpit and your blood compulsion. There's something bigger than the brick of every wall that's holding on to you. Searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor.